How to choose the right air conditioner size. Choosing the wrong air conditioner can leave you hot and uncomfortable, or wasting energy and money. The key is choosing the right cooling power for your space. Start with your room size. A small bedroom up to 150 square feet usually needs about 5,000 BTUs. Most medium-sized living rooms, around 250 to 350 square feet, perform better when you step up to a more powerful 8,000 BTU model. And for larger spaces, between 450 and 550 square feet, a 12,000 BTU unit provides the high-capacity performance needed to cool the entire room effectively. Next, think about what affects the room's temperature. Sunny spaces, especially south-facing rooms, upper floors, or homes in hotter climates, tend to run warmer. More people, activity, and electronics like TVs or computers also add heat. If your space is sunny, upstairs, busy, or packed with devices, stepping up to a more powerful unit helps ensure comfortable, reliable cooling. When in doubt, choosing the next BTU level up is often the better choice. Units that are too small may struggle to keep your space cool. Right size. Right power. Right comfort.